Sir, how do you feel about the socioeconomic state?
How the fuck did you get in my car?
So how do you feel about the current socioeconomic
You can brush my hair, with me anywhere. Imagination, recreation. Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Fantastic, fantastic. You can brush my hair, with me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
And as you can see over here, folks, we got ourselves a burger fry. We got ourselves a Chipotle. Oh.
Now we've got a burger fry and a Chipotle.
Burger fry, a Chipotle.
That's pretty fire.
Took a shit over there once.
How was it?
Shitty. It's him right there. It's him right there. It's him right there. Alright, good. Okay. It's him right there. Jesus Christ.
There you go. Footage roll is a predator. Preys on young children. I did leg day, but I should have done it yesterday. Because, you know, pain is not good when you're catching a predator. He's been texting young girls. Well, he's been texting a decoy that was pretended to be an underage girl.
I didn't do it. I swear I didn't do it.
He says he doesn't do it. What didn't you do?
Bro, she said it was cool, man.
She's 13.
I thought she said she was 12.
She
bro.
said she was.
Osama bin Laden is alive. We've been hiding him in a facility in Guam for 5 years now.
Where's Guam?
Located off the central coast of South Africa.
I'm sorry, did you say Central Coast?
Quantum space Fresnel mechanics, right? It's what happens when every object touches the time-space continuum and it goes really fast.
I thought Fresnel was how light reflected off of shapes.
Yeah, that happens because everything has this one thing, and it's all related to time because time is.
A valuable thing. Watch the
See,
clock
as you-
tick as the pendulum swings.
Watch it count down to the end of the days. The clock ticks away.
It's so unreal. Back to
Stop recording!
I'm not recording. What are you talking about? No, that's actually a very good fill light right there. It's very filling. Don't worry about it.
I thought when we were gonna film this documentary that I was gonna get half the money. It's for some money, Gerald.
Oh yeah, I gave you $3. I only got
You
6
said the budget was 600.
pennies.
How am I supposed to buy the heroin
It's
now?
600 pennies.
Yeah, that's not
So
enough.
I gave you half of it. It's $3.
It's about drive, it's about power. We stay hungry, we devour. Put in the work, put in the hours, and take what's ours. Like in Simone in my veins, my culture banging with strange. I change the game, so what's my motherfucking name? What they're gonna get though? Desecration. Face to face.